Rationalization of sorts is the process of removing an irrational number from the denominator. If we have a sort, say 2 over root 3, it is necessary to remove the irrational number from the denominator, which is root 3. A sort such as root 3 over 2 cannot be simplified. To rationalize a sort, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the irrational number. To rationalize 2 over root 3, for example, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. 2 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. Let me get this screen off. Root 3 over root 3. The numerator times root 3, the denominator times root 3. So starting from the numerator, we have 2 times root 3 is the same thing as 2 root 3. For the denominator, root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. So finally, we have 2 root 3 over 3. This is the final answer. One over 3 minus root 2. To rationalize this kind of sort, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The denominator is 3 minus root 2. The conjugate of 3 minus root 2 is 3 plus root 2. So multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate, we're going to have 1 over 3 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 2 all over 3 plus root 2. Let's take it one step at a time. For the numerator, we have 1 times 3 plus root 2, which is the same thing as 3 plus root 2. Any number multiplied by 1 gives back that number. For the denominator, we're going to have 3 minus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. This requires expansion of bracket, two brackets placed side by side. We touched on expansion of brackets in previous week's lesson. If you are still not familiar with it, you have to go back and take another look at it. In expansion, you multiply the first term of the first bracket by each term inside the second bracket. So the first term of the first bracket is 3. Multiply by each term in the second bracket. 3 plus root 2. 3 is the first term of the first bracket. You also multiply the second term of the first bracket by each term inside the second bracket. The second term of the first bracket is minus root 2. So we have minus root 2 by 3 plus root 2. The product of this is 9 plus 3 root 2. The product of this is minus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 minus 2. Minus root 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 3 root 2. Minus root 2 multiplied by plus root 2 is minus 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. Minus by plus is minus. Now we collect the like terms. I'm going to have 9 minus 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Nine minus 2 is 7. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 0, so this will go. So this is the end of the expansion of the denominator, 7. So for the numerator, we have 3 plus root 2. For the denominator, we have 7. That means the result of the rationalization will be 3 plus root 2 all over 7. That's the final answer.